So this video is my first jog test for the DIY CNC that I've been working on for some time. When I started this project, at that time I got hold of a TB6560 board, which essentially is archaic now, and it uses the parallel port, and the parallel port has been vanishing for some time. The objective of this project was to drive that TB6560 board using a USB port. Now there are not many USB drivers available in the market, so I resorted to using the Raspberry Pi and hooking up the GPIOs to the TB6560 board. And without further delay, I'll show you the jog working pretty fine now. Since this is my first test, it's not perfect, but yes, there's still a lot of work to be done in terms of setting the pitches, etc., setting the threads, but I hope to get there soon. This video series will also follow along and help you build this entire system. So let's get started. First of all, let me just take you through the CNC machine, the DIY CNC that I worked on. So here it is. Here is how it looks like. It has a 4 feet by 2 feet bed and uses stainless steel rails for the gantry to move. The gantry is driven on both sides, on the left and right hand side. However, there is a central shaft that powers both the sides of the rails. This shaft is connected to NEMA 23 motor, and you can see when the objective here is to jog this shaft so the gantry moves. The backing controller for this is a standard TB6560 controller. This is largely available on the internet. The problem with this controller is that it runs on the parallel port, which is now no more available in any of the regular PCs. So the idea was to run it over the Raspberry Pi. I went through a lot of research on the internet and figured out there is a way to do it, and I'll follow up with the instructions very soon. So anybody who wants to build a CNC machine that's capable of driving these motors and larger motors than this, this video should be able to help you. So before going ahead, let me show you how the Raspberry Pi, the 3B Plus model, this is running an SH server right now, which I'm accessing on my Linux laptop here. So everything here has been done using Linux, and here is the Linux CNC program running. So without further delay, let me just show you the jog of one of the axes that I just hooked up. So here is the axis, and I'm going to be using the arrow keys on my keyboard to jog this. So let me just press one of the arrow keys, and you can see that the axes are jogging. I'm sure you can also hear the motors whining. So stepper motors do sing a lot, but I still have to work on the sound and the belt tensions, etc., to ensure that there is a much smoother and accurate movement. So thanks for watching. This is the prelim video for the test for the jog, and I hope to take this further from here. So thank you guys.